Biodiversity of Amazon rainforest. Okay, so what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on Earth. Biodiversity is typically a measure of variation at the genetic, species, and ecosystem level. Terrestrial biodiversity is usually greater near the equator, which is the result of the warm climate and high primary productivity. Facts. The Amazon is a vast region that spans across eight rapidly developing countries: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana, which is an overseas territory of France. The landscape contains 1 in 10 known species on Earth, 1.4 billion acres of dense forests, half of the planet's remaining tropical forests. In fact, 4.100 miles of winding rivers, 2.6 million square miles in the Amazon basin, which is about 40% of South America. There is a clear link between the health of the Amazon and the health of the planet. The rainforests, which contain 90 to 140 billion metric tons of carbon, help stabilize local and global climate. Deforestation may release significant amounts of this carbon, which could have catastrophic consequences around the world. People and communities. More than 30 million people, including 350 indigenous and ethnic groups, live in the Amazon and depend on nature for agriculture, clothing, and traditional medicines. Most live in large urban centers, but all residents rely on the Amazon's natural bounty for food, shelter, and livelihoods. The extraordinary Amazon. No other place on earth showcases the diversity of life like the Amazon. It's a vast region that spans across 8 countries and one overseas territory: Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guiana or France. In the Amazon biome, you will find 1 in 10 known species on Earth, the world's largest remaining tropical forest containing 90 to 140 billion metric tons of carbon, the release of even a portion of which would accelerate global warming significantly. The largest river basin on the planet with 1 million kilometers square of freshwater ecosystems and 34 million people living in the Amazon, including 385 indigenous groups, depend on its resources and services, not to mention many millions more living as far away as Latin America, North America, and Europe, but still within the Amazon's far reaching climatic influence. Poorly planned infrastructure. Transportation and energy infrastructure are essential for national and regional development, but when they are poorly planned, negative impacts can exceed short term benefits. For example, building new roads exposes previously inaccessible areas of forest to illegal and unsustainable logging. Hydropower is now used to meet Brazil's growing demand for energy, but many dams are being constructed in areas of high conservation value. Illegal and unsustainable natural resource extraction. There is high demand for the natural resources found in the Amazon, but weak law enforcement to safeguard them. In addition, inefficient extraction processes lead to the destruction of nature and wildlife. For example, some mining activities contribute to soil erosion and water contamination. In recent times, warmer temperatures and less rainfall have produced droughts of historic proportions. The Amazon suffered its worst droughts on the last 100 years in 2005 and 2010. Long dry spells wither crops, decimate fisheries, and lead to forest fires. This can result in significant shifts in the makeup of ecosystems and a loss of species. Extensive cattle ranching and agricultural expansion. Amazon forest suffers as global demand for products such as beef and soy increases. Forests are cleared for more and more cattle grazing, pasture, and cropland. These growing industries also displace small farmers, forcing them into forested areas which they must clear to sustain themselves. Cattle pastures occupy 80% of deforested areas in the Amazon. Pasture runoff contaminates rivers. Fire used to manage fields often spreads into the remaining forests. The deforestation caused by ranching also contributes to climate change, releasing 340 million tons of carbon into the atmosphere.